So in operating systems, okay, we'll back to operating system. So few points in a Windows 10, okay, few points in a Windows 10, mainly Windows 10 features, okay, and then we know already how to check the system configuration, okay, we have seen that kind of stuff, okay, and we'll see what is services, registries, how to speed up your system, repairing applications, application repairing options are there. So that is also we'll see how much we can able to do it. That much only we will try. And in this one also we have a safe mode, system restoration, and BSOD. Still we have a time, then I will try to show Bitlocker. Okay. Installation of application or a repairing an application kind of issue, that's also there, right? First one is we'll discuss about a first Windows 10 features for today. Tomorrow we'll see remaining. Windows 10, guys. Windows 10, but there is a three main editions of Windows 10 is there. Okay, so Windows 11 currently released into the market, but lot of people are using Windows 10. Windows 10 and 11 not having much differences, maybe one or two. Even I didn't check it what are those kind of differences. Okay, so here in a Windows 10 we have a Home Edition, Pro Edition, Enterprise editions. Actually, I will tell editions later, but I'm adding this Windows 10 Home Edition, Pro Edition, Enterprise Edition. Other than these editions, one more edition, few more editions are there. Like education, mobile, which is actually currently discontinued. It's a discontinued edition. It is. IoT edition, if anybody want to do Internet of Things kind of stuff, so they can able to use this IoT. Generally, this is any person, home users, basic users can do it. Okay, you get a basic features. Few features won't available in home edition, and Pro also any person. Pro features you will get it, like so what you will get it, for example, you will get a Hyper-V feature you are getting. Okay, Hyper-V, Bitlocker earlier it is Enterprise, now it is available in Pro also. Yeah, Bitlocker feature you will get it. Local group policy kind of stuff. You can join to domain. Okay. You can join into the domain, that kind of feature is also there. In home editions, only basic features. These features not available in home. Okay, that's only in organization. So you cannot get license. Organization license only. You cannot get a enterprises license only. Enterprise features. Pro features plus Windows to go. Certain enterprise features like Windows to go kind of stuff. Okay. Yet someone is trying to speak. Education by college. The student need an education license. College principal or college, the person who is managing this education edition, they'll give the license. Okay. It is also multiple license kind of like enterprise only. Mobile edition for a mobile phone. So Windows 10 is released, but it is discontinued from last 2 years, 3 years kind of stuff. IoT, you are having any IoT devices like a Raspberry Pi, so you can use Windows 10 IoT editions also. Yes, features are features, but still some features not available in certain uh, editions of operating systems. These are some basic features of Windows 10. Okay, and also I already told some features not available in certain editions of operating system. So you have to go through it. One or two missing points will be there. So we'll see that. So Windows 10 provide many features and improvements as compared to the previous editions. Okay, so start screen, start menu improvement. So in a olden days of start screen, how it is, I will show you. In Windows XP, you take XP. So this is your background environment. XP means experience. This is how it is. Windows is look like. So you press the start button, it shows. When you press the start button or a Windows button, this is where you will access your like all programs options are there. This is inside a computer, my computer kind of stuff. This is programs menu, my computer, my pictures. You can access control panel. You can access from here. Okay, run command you can access, but there is such option is there, but not much smart search it is. Okay, so this is your start menu style it is. This is run all programs, and you have to browse which program you are want to access kind of stuff. You can do it. So after Windows XP, Vista came. From last few only I'm telling this is how Vista is look like. So there is a lot of difference between XP and Vista, including size of the operating system. The look, the experience of Vista is much better. The smart search menu like a XP only, but smart search is added here. You take Windows 7 reduces this backend color kind of stuff to manage the better memory and performance. And there is a smart search is added. So there is on desktop means taskbar shortcuts are given. Okay, and you can search your programs and files from this smart search, and all programs. These are the direct access buttons. So you can put certain. These are recently opened application kind of stuff. But completely changed in Windows 8. The entire XP, Vista 7 almost are like same, but one or two differences. But in Windows 8, it is completely changed. That's why after XP 7 got highlighted in the market, then 8 not highlighted in the market. Lot of people are used Windows 8 because when they purchase a laptop, it comes with Windows 8. Okay, so no choice there, but lot of people don't like it because Windows 8 is majorly built for a touchscreen laptops, touchscreen two-in-one laptops, touchscreen desktops kind of stuff. Entire menu is in the tiles manner only, like your mobile phone tiles, tablet tiles. It is there. So same way. It confused people, and but people who are habituated to use Windows 8, they don't like any other things. So in 8.1, the change interface to like this. Okay. So start button missed. So the users they integrated in 8.1. There is a start button. You can click the start button, or if you press like this, the start button. So you'll get a menu kind of stuff as well as both Windows 8, 8.1 menu kind of access. Of course, very good smart search menu, split screen features are used. So this start button 8.1. Now it has come to the Windows 10. You are already know Windows 10 and Windows. Yeah, see, Windows 10 is given. This is for a straight axis, application axis, and tiles. Both are there, like a power button, settings button, power button, settings, pictures, documents, and my profile. So you can log out, log in from here. Okay. Next, this is our menu. This is a recently used application, and here it is by alphabetical order applications. Next, so easy to shortcut type, or you can see. So I want to access Visual Studio Code, or maybe I want to open a VMware workstation or Google Chrome. So those things I can able to put it. Which one I wanted, I will add it here. Okay, paint. So most of the time I use the paint. Notepad, if you want a notepad, then I can put a notepad also. So if a notepad is available in menu, then this is notepad plus plus. For example, I'm also using notepad plus plus frequently, so I will put it as a shortcut here. Okay, if I think it is a bigger size, I want to reduce it, I can reduce the tile size also. Resize small. Sometimes you can able to increase it also. Okay, you can increase it, you can remove it. Certain things like photos, resize medium, small, medium, wide, large. So we can certain tiles we can put a bigger. Sometimes only small and medium only, depends upon the time. So this is entirely combination. So you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint from here. So you can customize your tile menu by yourself. By default something is there, so I change the default to normal one. But I didn't remember how I changed, but okay. Okay. This is Windows 10 and this is a new version, it is Windows 11. The menu is different. So earlier Windows 10 we have a corner of a menu for Windows XP Vista kind of stuff. Windows 7 corner menu is there. Now it is menu is in the start menu in the center. Here also application wise connectivity is not a, you can put your favorite tiles here and recent also it will load it and you can easily search what application you wanted. Just like I'm searching for what application I want to open, for example VM where VirtualBox, it is already open. See, I'm searching this, so it is become very easy. Same way, Windows 11 also. The menu colors changing. That is what. The first one is start menu improvement. So how the start menu is getting. Next one is cloud integration. OneDrive is introduced in Windows 10, guys. You can see this is my OneDrive. So directly you can link your Microsoft. You can link Microsoft account or your Office 365 account here. So then what are the data you are added here, it stores in the cloud. Means you can access the data both offline and online, anywhere, anytime. You can access like a Google Drive, you can access from anywhere with web browser, any device you can access, OneDrive you can access, and you have a sensitive files you can put in OneDrive. So from your PC offline also you can access, in online from anywhere anytime you can access. Recovery tools. Recovery tools like a reset and advanced startup repair options also introduced. So I'm going to my settings, update and security, recovery. So reset this PC. For example, my operating system is getting a lot of problems. It's not running well. Then maybe I will try reset this PC. I'll try reset this PC. After resetting, system may work fine. Okay. So in resetting, guys, it removes your operating system and your applications. Okay. Sorry, it remove operating system, your application and your personal data also. But operating system will be reloaded automatically, but applications will be gone. Your settings will be gone. And you have a choice to keep your personal files or not. Okay. Don't do it on your system. Don't do it on your system, guys. So when you click on start, get started, keep my files means remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove everything means removes all your personal files and apps and settings. Okay, so that may help you to solve your problem. Another one is advanced startup. So when you click on a restart now, so your screen will be changes. Like when you click on that restart now, you'll go to this screen, not this screen, like this. After restart system means when you click on advanced options, restart now, you'll get this screen. Continue, turn off, use a device, troubleshoot. Why we should go to that option? For troubleshooting purpose only. When you select a troubleshoot, reset this PC, advanced options. To go to advanced options, you will get a repair, startup settings, command prompt, system restoration options, UEFI settings. Okay, this is for to go to BIOS settings. I told BIOS key guys, but this is another one. You can go to your BIOS settings from like this also. You can uninstall recent updates. You can go to if you go to this option, see more recovery options, system image backup related options also. You will get it. Okay. So this is recovery advanced startup. So you will get this screen. Select troubleshoot. Either you can reset this PC or go to advanced options. Then you will get a startup repair, startup settings, command prompt, startup system restore, UEFI, and uninstall update. Few points may changes, but commonly startup repair, startup setting, system restore, system image backup, and command prompt is common. Okay, so for repairing your system, you can choose reset option is there in advanced option, repair options also available. Another one is Hyper-V. Guys, Hyper-V is a built-in tool. In my PC, I don't have Hyper-V because I'm a home edition. I'm using home edition, so I don't have any built-in Hyper-V feature. But Pro Edition, Enterprise Editions will get a Hyper-V features. So in Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, Pro Edition and Enterprise is having Hyper-V feature. What is the use of this feature? You can create a virtual machine in your physical machine. Okay, you can create a virtual machine in your physical machine. In the virtual machine, you can install any kind of operating system, Windows operating system, Windows Server operating system, a Linux operating system or Unix operating system. You can install in this Hyper-V virtual machine. You can run a multiple machines, virtual machines means you can run multiple guest operating system in your single physical machine. That is use of Hyper-V. Hyper-V is not available in home edition, it available in other editions. Action Center. Okay. So Action Center is, are you guys are getting, or am I telling some story and leaving? So where is this? This is date and time. See, this is Action Centers. Okay. So we can control your system, few things like you can convert into tablet mode. For example, you are using 2-in-1 PC. So normal PC mode to tablet mode, you can convert it. Networking control settings, airplane mode, alarms, locations, projector connector. Okay, connecting to another devices, mobile hotspot, VPN connectivity, night light, battery savers, screen snipping. They like that certain features you are getting, and also notifications is able to see in this notification area also. You can remove that action center. So this is Windows Store. Like my our Apple phone, Android phone, we have a store, right? Play Store kind of stuff. This is Microsoft Store. You need a Microsoft ID or Office 365 ID. You can download Microsoft. You can download applications like you're downloading in your App Store. Same way you can download applications and games. Some are paid, some are free. Okay, it is. WhatsApp application is there, Netflix application is there, Instagram application, Spotify application is there, and there is a games. Okay, some games you want to download, you need it. You can take it directly from here. Some are paid, some are free. Just you need a Microsoft account or Office 365 account to do it. Just like you need a Google account in an Android App Store. Universal Windows Platform, UWP, Universal Windows Platform. Guys, to develop develop Android applications, what you need? Android Studio. You need an Android Studio. In Windows applications, you want to develop Windows Store related Windows applications, you need a universal Windows platform. Windows platform. Next, Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is a default web browser in Windows 10. Normally, earlier days means earlier version of Microsoft operating system, the default web browser is Internet Explorer. Then Google Chrome and Firefox become more popular with more features inside. So Microsoft developed their own another type of browser with a different kind of features as compared to others. So it is very good browser anyway. Microsoft Edge browser. Consolidated settings. So we can not only a control panel. This using settings, you can go to different things like a application related, accounts related, devices related, update security related, network related setting. Okay, so you can go to those settings from one single settings window. Okay, so not only a control panel, and this settings is help you to manage your system. Mobile hotspot. In generally, you have a 4G network. Okay, your mobile phone data connected 4G data connected. You are getting a data now. Your friend, or maybe you want to share to your laptop. What to do? We use Wi-Fi hotspot to share your data to your laptop or to other mobile phone through Wi-Fi hotspot, right? From your mobile to others. Here, in case, for example, I am connected to a wide connectivity. My laptop is connected to a wide connectivity. So laptop having a 2 points. One is Wired connectivity, another is Wi-Fi connectivity. Both we can connect. So connected to wired connectivity, and I can share that internet. What are the incoming data? Is share our net through my Wi-Fi, like a Wi-Fi hotspot. I can make my laptop as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so I will get it from cable and I can share through Wi-Fi hotspot. So that is a mobile hotspot. Feature is also introduced here. Tablet mode, you can convert your desktop into your tablet mode. So like this, you click on tablet mode, your entire menu style, background style will be changes to tablet mode. Either you can able to see or not, I don't know. Just I'm removing this tablet mode. Okay. So if you are using 2-in-1 laptops, so it is very useful. Surface Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro kind of 2-in-1 laptops you can use. Cortana is a voice assistant. Okay, like your Google Talk or a Siri kind of stuff. It is also a Alexa kind of stuff. It's a voice assistant. Currently, it is not working. Okay, you need a Microsoft account with that one. It use Bing search for your search purpose. Maybe in future it maybe will give you much information. Windows Hello feature. Windows Hello feature. Sign in, face, finger, print, pin number, password, picture, password kind of stuff. You can use it, guys. You want to log into your
Windows Hello.
tell me.
Windows Hello is used for security purposes.
Windows.
Hello is used for security purposes.
Windows Hello is for login purpose.
And login.
It's in a sign in option. You go to accounts, go to sign in options. So how can we log into our system? Generally password method. Generally password method. Okay. So you can use picture password instead of typing a password. You have to upload a one picture and select certain areas as a password. At least 3 areas you have to select as a password. Okay. So next time you come to the PC, you try to log in. So it will show the picture. You have to select a certain areas in the picture so you can able to log in. Okay. Security key is a simple hardware key type. So when you insert it, physical key, it will be login automatically. And this is pin configuration. So Windows Hello pin configuration. So you need a Microsoft account, of course, but to show like your mobile, you can log in with pin number. Same way, it will ask for a phone number, pin number, you can give it. Fingerprint sensor is there. So mobile, so you have a laptop with a fingerprint sensor. So you can configure Windows Hello fingerprint. So you need that device. Windows Hello feature, of course, you need a cam, so it will capture a face and detect, and it will like you know things, but it is there. Windows Hello feature. So sign in option it is face wise, fingerprint wise, pin password wise, picture password, security key wise. Active hours means the main working hours, active hours, without knocking any additional noise kind of stuff it will generate. So forget about it. Yeah, task view, virtual desktop, task view and virtual desktop. This is a task view, guys. What are the things of I've done in my PC from last few days and mainly what are I open. So today currently opening these things and closed one also there. Earlier today I opened these photos. Yesterday, day before yesterday, what are the documents I open, applications I open, it mentions. This is a task view. So what are the tasks I have done from last few days. And of course, I done a clean process in that one. It is not good. Next one is virtual desktop. I am in this desktop. I'm in this desktop. You can see I have a web browser open, and the picture is related thing is also there, and Microsoft Edge is also there. Okay. So if I want to change my task view, so desktop too, I cannot able to see what I opened in my first desktop. Okay. For example, you want to play a game, or you are doing some 2-3 additional works. For example, I'm teaching here. Parallelly, I'm also developing my Python. I'm also doing some Python commands, but I don't want to put it in this screen. I want to separately put in a other screen. So what I will do, virtual desktop. So when at a break time, I will go and read it, or I will go and practice it in desktop, different desktop environment. So this is not a very new concept, guys. It is a old concept. In a Linux and Unix, it called a workspace concept. So these are the certain Windows 10 features. Okay, so these are the certain features of Windows 10, and already I told Windows 10 editions. These are the minimum requirement to install Windows 10. Minimum requirement to install Windows 10. Or also you can try what are the minimum requirements to install Windows 11. Directly from Microsoft you will get a information. Also you can try. I have got a new fresh system. I want to install Windows 10. So I have to verify CPU. What is the CPU kind of stuff? So it's more than 1 gigahertz or not. If I'm trying to install 32-bit operating system in 32-bit type of PC, 1 GB minimum RAM is required. If it is 64, 2 GB RAM is required. I want to install operating system that is 32-bit type of system. It is means your both CPU and your operating system is 32-bit. 16 GB free disk space is required in the hard disk. At least 16 GB free disk space is required, and for 64-bit it is 20 GB minimum free space is required. Okay, in a graphic card related, minimum DirectX driver should be there. Display, normal display 800 to 600 is normal display. And also you can upgrade from Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 directly. But when you do upgradations, so compulsory check the hardware compatibilities, 32-bit, 64-bit versions, editions, okay, and their required RAM capacity and free disk space. Important is also what are the minimum system requirements to install Windows 10. Upgradation and migration. Upgradation and migration. What is meant by upgrade? So lower version to higher version. Windows 7 to Windows 10 upgradation. Migration. I have to check. What is the migration? Moving to other system or same system. Migrating is moving to other. Okay, I'm migrating to new technology, means different technology. I am migrating to a new batch. I'm migrating to a new place. So migrating means moving from one place to another place. So the upgradation, guys, I have a desktop with Windows 7 or Windows 8. I'm upgrading to Windows 10. Okay, only operating system is changes, remaining is not changes based on the compatibilities. Migration, you are migrating from one system to another system, old system to new system, laptop to desktop, desktop to laptop, like that. Or same system means you are in a same laptop, you are taken a backup of your files and remove operating system and reinstalling an operating system and restore the backup. This is a in place migration. Don't worry, guys, last 2 points only. As you have a Windows 10, must be Windows operating system, as we discussed earlier, means yesterday, it is a licensed one. Without a license, you cannot use Windows operating system or any Microsoft products also. Compulsory, you need a activation. So activation confirms product and product key status. Activation establish a relation between product key and installation of specific devices. Azure Software Integrity provide full update and support license compliances and stuff. Okay, so you are having a desktop or a laptop. Now you want to install an operating system. You install an operating system, you have to insert a license key. Once you given a license key is verified and Microsoft confirms you are using a genuine operating system. Sometimes because of it is not licensed, so you're not given a proper license key or not given a license key, it is not licensed, it is not genuine, and certain features you may not able to access, and also you will get a severe problems. So compulsory licensing is important. Guys, these licenses are also having certain differences. For example, I went to market and purchased Windows 10 DVD. Maybe through online I purchased a Windows 10. From Microsoft I purchased a Windows 10. It is a retail type of licensing. So I can choose which desktop or laptop and I install an operating system and I insert a key and it will get activated. Maybe in future something goes wrong with my desktop or laptop. So what I will do it? I will move to another desktop or maybe I will change some components in my system and reinstall operating system and I can do reactivate. Of course, it is a single user, single system. So you change the system, compulsory reactivation is required. Okay, a change of any hardware, reactivation is required. In retail mode, guys, so you will purchase an operating system from market or maybe from online or from Microsoft. You will get a license key. So you can insert that license key in your system and you can access that system. It will get activated. Any changes occur, hardware related changes occur, so you have to reactivate it. So you know the license key. OEM, original equipment manufacturer. What is OEM? Original equipment manufacturer. So you taken a license key, you taken a sorry, you purchase, sorry, somewhere I went. No. So you purchase a laptop or a desktop. It's coming with a operating system. For example, this lap came with a Windows 8 operating system and it is upgraded to 8.1 and now it is 10. Okay. What is the OEM package it is? So when you buy a laptop or a desktop, it coming with an operating system, the license key is saved into your hardware only. Okay, there is no separate licensing thing. If in case your desktop or laptop is hardware wise some issues occur or you want to change your hardware, you have to buy a separate license. Why? Because of to change your hardware, your license will be gone. Okay. So that is the main point, guys. What is OEM? So operating system license comes with your device, means laptop or desktop. Microsoft volume licensing in Windows 10, I told enterprise editions. It is a organization wise. I have a multiple computers and laptops. They should get a license key. How? You don't need to go to each and everything simply through a server called a volume licensing server. Distribute the license keys to the devices in the organization through network. That is volume licensing. Volume licensing means license a large number of devices by assigning license key to it, and of course you have to buy a license key from Microsoft. In OEM it is by default it is there, but in retail you have to buy. Whenever you buy an operating system you will get a license key. In a Microsoft volume license key you have an operating system, but only thing is no license key. In our organization you will have to buy it from Microsoft, like 10 licenses, 20 licenses, 50 licenses you have to buy. Yeah, don't worry guys. The only last one, this is the only one I'm telling. This is very difficult to copy paste. I will try, but everything will be divided in this document. Okay. So, but from that one we don't understand. So, what I will do, I will take a screenshot of it. This is some information like a architecture of Windows 10. Already I told guys, kernel and shell generally available in the, we will discuss in the Linux and Unix type of operating system time only. But if you see here it is, there is a Windows kernel, means it is a nothing but a operating system kernel only. This is a good one. So look at here, Windows kernel means operating system, Microsoft operating system, Windows operating system kernel part, and device drivers. Device drivers also certain program or software which help our operating system to interact with the hardware devices. Device drivers are a program which help our operating system to interact with the devices on the motherboard or connected to motherboard, like a printer kind of stuff also. Bluetooth devices, networking, NICs, video graphics, all require device drivers. So what those working on your hardware. On top of it, it is controlled by system services. System services are belongs to your operating system, hardware and operating system and certain services also. Okay, so when you want to run a application, so your applications can be desktop based application, means general applications, Windows Store applications, or you manufactured some application like a universal Windows platform kind of stuff. So they need an environment to run application like a .NET framework, Win32 environment, Windows RT APIs are required to run your application. Okay. So you're running an application, so the services help you to run your application also. So this is what architecture. just point purpose only, guys. Okay, the layers, what are the things in the operating system. So bottom, it is a kernel and device drivers, system services and applications. That point only. Okay, this is about your Windows 10. So tomorrow, so we'll see about services, registries and all tomorrow. So I will try max to complete all the operating system few things and what. So tomorrow is a Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I will try it tomorrow to complete. Okay, that's it for today, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys.